welcome everybody. This is TC here to another episode of unboxing of Diecast cars. Right in front of me today we have very special pieces, import from Indonesia. So I bought this off Shopee, and today we'll unbox these cars that we have in front. So I bought this from Brian Toy Shop. So I'm going to do a review of his collection in terms of his store. That's where I bought from him. So I believe he's from Surabaya. Yeah, that's in Indonesia. So without further ado, let's just unbox the whole thing. So today we are not reviewing any wheels from Hot Wheels, but this is more of a very special vehicle. So as you can see, it's well packed. Wow. And we have the Johnny Lightning. Okay, seller, these guys pack it well. Wow. Okay, let's take them all out. So yeah, you see, so today we have this three, the Coca-Cola series. Okay, just let me adjust that a bit. The Coca-Cola series and the FF Road. So yeah, I bought this from Indonesia, direct from Shopee. You guys can check his store. Yeah. So this is the Hummer. It's limited up to 1,600 pieces. So if you look at the car, everything is all in good condition. Well, if you all guys are a Hummer fan, I think this is a good buy. You can check his store out. It's not say very expensive, but it's pretty okay. So look at the details of it. So anyway, this is just a short review. I won't be taking them out. And now look at that. This is the 1970 Fairlady Z432, the Coca-Cola one. Looks nice, right? So inside, if you take a look carefully, it has acrylic box. Yeah, there's an acrylic box. Yeah, it's a bit dusty. That's okay. Yeah, everything looks great. Great details. Even the back. Yeah, you can even see. Great details. Yeah. So look at that. Yokohama. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR Coca-Cola. Yep. These are from M2 Machines. It's a US brand. So they make pretty good cars. Whether is it 1:64 scale, I'm not very sure. It says 1:64, but all I know, the most accurate scales, the company that does the most accurate is Tokiya Tomica Limited Vintage, new or vintage. That series, basically they make very, very exact 1/64 scales. So yeah, without take a look at that, look at the Hummer. It's very nice. So yeah, not sure is there a serial number on it. It just say 1 out of 3,600 pieces. Yeah, it's a Mijo exclusive Johnny Lightning. So this is the Johnny Lightning one, and this is the M2. Now this one, it is, I don't believe it's limited edition or anything, but yeah. So everything, oh yeah, except for probably here is a bit dented, but it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. It's a perfect cut. So yeah, so that's all for this review, this unboxing. We'll see you again the next round. Take care, stay safe everyone. Goodbye.